I'm getting old. I'm now at the age where I'm peeing in Morse code. Any of you guys at that age peeing in Morse code? That's all fine and dandy when you're going in the privacy of your own home. It's a little more embarrassing when you're in public. I was at Bridgestone recently. All the urinals were taken, so I was going in the stall. Peeing in a toilet is much more audible than peeing in a stall in a urinal. After much stop and go, I hear this voice through the wall. Hey buddy, you okay in there? Yeah, just trying to take the leak here. I'm a radio operator from Fort Campbell. I couldn't help but notice you peed SOS. I did? You learn something new every day. Apparently 3 short, 3 long, 3 short taps is the Morse code distress signal. If you're in trouble, come out with your thumb in your palm and make a fist. No, I'm okay, I just need to see my urologist. Could have been worse. I'm glad I didn't send out an invitation to rendezvous in my stall. That would be a good pharmaceutical commercial. Is your prostate sending the wrong message? Hey buddy, looking for some company in there? Just in follow-up, I did go see my urologist. My prostate checks out just fine. I was deeply touched. He gave me a thumbs up.